Becoming a self-made millionaire is no small task and requires careful planning, hard work, smart financial decisions, and sometimes a bit of luck. While there is no guaranteed method to become a millionaire by a specific date, there are several strategies that can increase your chances of success. Find multiple income streams. Relying on a single source of income can limit your earning potential. Start by considering what skills or resources you have that can be leveraged for additional income, such as investing in stocks, real estate, or creating a side business. Invest wisely. Investing your money can be one of the most effective ways to accumulate wealth. This could be in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, or even your own business. The key is to understand the risks and rewards associated with each investment and diversify your portfolio to spread risk. Start your own business. Entrepreneurs often have a higher earning potential compared to employees because they have more control over their income. Starting a business isn't easy and comes with its own risks, but with the right idea, management, and a bit of luck, it can pay off significantly. Save and budget strictly. A crucial step towards becoming a millionaire is saving as much of your income as possible and controlling your expenses. Budgeting allows you to track your income and expenses, reduce unnecessary spending, and increase savings. Invest in education and skills. Increasing your knowledge and skills can open up new opportunities for higher-paying jobs or businesses. This could mean getting a formal education, online courses, or self-teaching. Networking. Building a strong professional network can open up opportunities for partnerships, investments, and mentorships that can accelerate your journey to becoming a millionaire. Patience and persistence. Building wealth takes time. It's important to remain patient, stay committed to your goal, and persist even when things don't go as planned. Again, it's important to remember that these strategies don't guarantee you'll become a millionaire by 2024. But they do increase your chances of building significant wealth over time. Financial success is a marathon, not a sprint, and it requires consistent effort, smart decisions, and a long-term perspective.